What's up, guys? Today I would like to compare for you BitMEX TestNet with BitMEX Live account. So let's start it. So this is the logo for BitMEX TestNet. So this is the logo for BitMEX Live account. Right? So you have to just remember not to make any mistake in the future. So let's start. I think it's 6 or 7 even differences. So this is live. So first of all, have a look for Orderbook first. Look how all these numbers, all these sizes are changing like crazy. This is like millions, 3 millions only on this price. Here is 3 millions as well. Look, testnet, BitMEX testnet is almost nothing at all. So even comparing to volume, the volume will be completely different. Like you see different thing here in Orderbook, first of all. The second is price. Look for the price right now. Here is like the end is like 86, but BitMEX is 60. Oh, now it's 50, 60, right? So at least 30, 40, sometimes it's even $70 difference, more than 100 sometimes. So this is like, there is some correlation, of course, but usually it's like the price can be completely different. So it's kind of easy make money using BitMEX testnet, very easy. So this is, let's say, the second one, completely different price. Then number 3 is completely different chart. As you see here, it's like almost nothing happened. This is like 5-minute chart. A 5-minute chart as well here. As you see, it's completely different, but it should be the same instrument. Completely different. Then executed trades. Recent trades here, you see, not big volume, not too often trades, like every 15, maybe 30 seconds, something going on, but still is zero. Look at the live account. Here we have 10,000. Very often we have 100,000. So here every second is something. Right now it's maybe not so fast, but you see every second is something going on. So this is the difference number 3 or 4, right? Okay, the next difference is in instruments. Look, on the live account we have this kind of instruments. On testnet we have Bitcoin to yen, we have Bitcoin to won. So it's also different instrument, but this is not, I think, big deal. Wow! But look what is going on here on the BitMEX futures. It's 11,060. Wow! Let's see how much is here. Here is like normal price. It's almost the same like perpetual. So this is really, really, really huge. It would be so easy to make money here and show your friends that I am very big investor. I know how to do money on BitMEX testnet. So as you see, the colors may be on both of these platforms the same. Similar instruments, similar buttons for execution if you want to trade. But finally, even Trollbox is different, so there is no people to talk to. As you see here is like 1 million people talk to. And the last difference, what I wanted to tell you today, is the funding rate. So look, funding rate, what BitMEX execute every 8 hours here is like, today is like almost nothing. This is the lowest possible, 0.01. Let's check it. How does it look like today on BitMEX testnet? Wow, it's the biggest I ever seen. So again, you will be charged much, much more than possible than it should be on the live account, or you will get credit on your account, depend on the position what you have. Such huge difference. So after a few days, if you're running this testnet account, and then you will send your 1 Bitcoin to your live account, I think actually you are fucked. You are so fucked because you are you adjust it to so easy environment, the kind of random environment, and what you can learn from this? Nothing at all. But I will give you better advice. So maybe not too many people knows, but we have here on the live account very nice feature. You have to just click here, I think, and yeah, and here currency display you can change it for, let's say, Satoshi. So we have here only 0.03, perfect amount to just to start testing, but we can even try to test it for even smaller amount. So we are changing here for Satoshi, and now we are millionaires. So we are Satoshi millionaires, and everything on the platform right now is displayed in Satoshi. So now we can try to open, I don't know, position like this. Very small, is 100 or even 10. But I think $100 is small enough just to test it with 3 millions of Satoshi what we have on the platform. And it's even much more easier to see everything. How much we earn, how much we lose, how much the platform took for deposit, and so on. So I would recommend first start learning this, then if everything is okay, you can change it finally to Bitcoin and start like normal trading. But I think it's much better just to lose like normal, let's say $20, change it to Satoshi, and just play like with everything. So I will record another video, another tutorial how to use BitMEX like live account. But first advice is just I would skip this demo account because it's more problems than solutions. So if you want to try live account, down below the video you can find 10% discount for fees. So if you want, you can also support the channel. And for now is everything. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.